Toshi is having some pretty crazy news kind of roll out, guys. I'm very excited to be getting into this favorite, my favorite blue cat over on the base ecosystem. A lot of people call it the mascot of the base chain. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. Listen, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the world of Toshi. We have a lot of things that are rolling out. We've seen a pretty cheeky pump in the markets for Toshi today as well, whereas a lot of other coins have taken a little bit of a pullback. So, exciting day to be Toshi holders. If you guys are new around here, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. I try to help you find the next 10, 20, 50, or even 100x gem in the markets. Trust me, guys, I've been in these markets for a while and I've learned a thing or two. So basically, I'm here to help you navigate these markets. So make sure you guys subscribe, you hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you guys get notified right away. And make sure you like this video so that YouTube pushes it out to more people on the algorithm. For those of you that don't know, I'm also giving away $500. I'll actually show you guys super quick here. $500 giveaway on a meme coin that's actually on the base ecosystem. No, it's not Toshi. It's a project that is known as Midas. To celebrate Midas hitting all-time high after all-time, which, mind you, a lot of the base ecosystem success, I attribute that to Toshi because obviously Toshi led this rally. And so basically for that, I'm giving away some Midas. Now, it's $500. This post has about 21,000 views on it already. Make sure you guys go check it out. When you go over to my profile, my X account, guys, you will see literally all of that. We're almost at 7,000 followers on X. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and like the video. And for those of you that are watching right now, all I want to say is to that guy that saw me at the mall the other day, shout out to you. You said you watched my Toshi video. So if you're watching this, hey man, hats off to you. Leave a comment down below. Anyways, guys, you can see Toshi in the last 24 hours, down 0.45%, but in the last 7 days, actually up 22%. Volume has actually increased within the last 24 hours, and I think a lot of that has to do with the little cheeky announcement that you guys see over here. We'll take a deeper dive into that over on X. Volume has gone up to 77 million. Meanwhile, Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are obviously the two biggest cryptos in all this space, has taken a little bit of a pullback. I think, guys, it's safe to say you can see the overall crypto market cap is at 4.18 trillion. Now, fingers crossed, I think that the days of us being below 4 trillion are finally gone. Now, I don't know if that's just me being optimistic. I don't know what the case is, but I really do believe, guys, that deep down, maybe we will not see any more days of the crypto market cap being under $4 trillion. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are on that. Obviously, anything could happen in the markets. If we see like a black swan event, a flash crash, then sure, it might be otherwise. But the last time we were below this was actually in September. Now, September was obviously a very, very bearish month. But even the days in September, right, majority of it, we were still over that $4 trillion mark. You can see here, well, maybe like midway through September, the second week, all the way to the third week, we were actually above that $4 trillion mark. Now, if Q4 is anything like what we expect it to be, it's anything like what history has been, then guys, it's safe to say that I think we'll continue to rally. You can see BNB, right? This having a massive run in the last 24 hours. One of the only cryptos that is actually up. It's up 8%. BNB is going crazy. CC on X is going crazy. And this is how money flows, right? It goes in from your favorite, the biggest project, which is Bitcoin, flows down into Ethereum and then into altcoins and into mid-caps being Toshi. Now, the Fear and Greed Index is actually based on Ethereum and altcoins as opposed to Bitcoin because, guys, Bitcoin literally hit all-time highs yesterday at like 126K, and the Fear and Greed Index was just sitting at 62. Like, it's still at greed levels. It's still at borderline, well, what's in the middle here? It's still at the borderline neutral levels, right? That's what the yellow means. Yeah, neutral is the yellow. Again, Bitcoin hitting 126K, guys, should bring us to extreme greed levels, but that's not what the markets are reflecting right now. So that is why I'm saying it feels like the fear and greed is more pegged to Ethereum at this price point, right? Now, we got some exchange listings that did come out. I will talk more about it. And you can see that started our rally again up towards that 0.618 Fibonacci level. This level is very important for us to break. I think I covered it in my video yesterday. And you guys know I wouldn't have come out with another Toshi video today because I covered Toshi every other day, but we got some, we got a big exchange listing. So obviously your boy had to come out and make that video. Now, again, pretty solid stuff here, guys. You can see it rejecting off of that 0.618. I told you guys yesterday, I want to see a break above this. I want to see us hold above this 0.618, maybe come down to retest it and then that solidifies itself as a strong support, and then we start to move towards the upside, because as of right now, you can see May, we got rejected. We got rejected in September as well, guys. Now we're getting rejected in October as well. We need a catalyst. We need something big. We need the overall market to trend in the upward direction, which it is, and we're in Q4. There's a lot of stuff that's going on with the governments right now of it being closed, guys, which is extremely bullish for more risk on assets. People are moving their money away from the US dollar and placing it into things like gold. I mean, you guys saw gold breaking all-time high after all-time high as well. Now, listen, family, you can see here, the blue cat has landed on OKX. Toshi is officially live on OKX spot listing, which is absolutely massive. You can see your Toshi is speedrunning exchange listings, so be ready. And I mean, honestly, guys, within the last couple weeks, Toshi has rolled out a bunch of different exchange listings: Mexi, Gate, Bybit, Kraken, Coinbase, Revolut, and then what we had really roll out was Binance US, Bithumb, BitGet, Upbit, OKX. Now, a full official Binance listing has to come out fairly soon. I've seen so much hype around it that honestly, guys, it would just feel wrong if we didn't get a Binance listing sooner rather than later. Obviously, a Robinhood listing would be ideal as well, because Robinhood is probably the biggest stock exchange over in America, over in the US. I'm someone that's in Canada, so I don't have access to Robinhood regardless, but hey, I know there's thousands upon thousands of users on Robinhood, more traditional finance users that will love to get some Toshi. Toshi's on the verge of completing a Memecoin Grand Slam. Once it's listed on Binance sometime before end of year, it will be rare air. Only 8 other meme coins are listed on all of the other exchanges Toshi is. Not a single one is below 1 billion. What does this mean for the blue cat? Toshi got OKX listing today. Pretty insane the level at which Toshi has been playing at, especially recently. One partnership all relatively recently only missing, Binance and Robinhood, which I could see soon, and it will have completed what very few have, the Central Exchange Grand Slam. Toshi available for all. New all-time highs across macro market and a little flush today. Toshi is easily one of the best meme coin bets in this market. Seriously think it'll be a top 10 meme sooner than later. Obviously, guys, the ignition of this BNB chain season, I think, will only drive Coinbase and Brian Armstrong to push Toshi, as it's been a leading supporter and onboarder for Base since day one. Now, funny enough, BNB has been giving a lot of support to Toshimar. They've come out with pairs that you could launch on there as well, pegged to BNB, which is massive support, okay? Toshi all-time high is likely to occur at any moment. Let me know what you guys think about that. Where do you think it's going to go in the short term? Because honestly, in the short term, this thing could go anywhere. All I look at is the long-term play, and I still think we have a lot more room to grow. If you guys went on to enjoy this video, make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe, hit the bell notification again, guys, so you never miss a video. And remember, if you want to be a part of that $500 giveaway, go over to my X account, my Twitter account, and follow the steps. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm only here to entertain and educate you guys. And if that's worked, then hey, brilliant. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, guys.